Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to break down the RST S-1 road race suit. Okay, the S-1 race suit is on closeout now. We bought all that was left and we're offering them here at an amazing price, which I'm going to get to in just a minute. Let's start off with probably the most important thing we can help you with is sizing. We have kind of limited sizes left. They're from the size I'm wearing now and up. So, more American sized people. I am wearing a size 44 US, 54 Euro. Okay. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 195 pounds, 32-inch waist. I have on underneath the suit a full coverage back protector. This is a pretty forgiving cut, and to be fair, right off the rack, right off the peg for more of an entry-level style suit, it's really comfortable. I could just ride in this thing with very minimal break-in. Use this information along with our team to help you choose the right size for you if you're interested in it. There's no one out there better at helping customers choose the right size race suit the first time than our team here at STG. You can reach them Monday through Friday from 10 to 6 at 888-784-4327, or if you prefer via email, orders@sportbiketrackgear.com. These guys are here. They do a great job. Right? They're going to help you choose the right size the first time and help you avoid the hassle of exchanging. Now the good news, what am I selling this thing for? We're going to do this for $349.99. It's an amazing deal on an entry-level suit. Who is this thing going to be right for? It's going to be right for any rider that's looking to hit the track. You want to dip your toes in the water and do some track days. This is high quality, very protective. Don't mistake the price for, this is made out of tissue paper. RST makes great product. All their stuff is so good. I've had my own son Max racing in it for a number of seasons now. Team M4X Star Suzuki races in it. We were on that team last year. It's great stuff. And even with their more entry-level stuff, they're not sacrificing, all the protection. You're still getting all that benefit that's built into it as well. This suit comes complete with level 1 armor in the elbow, forearm, shoulder, knee, and shin, as well as some level 2 armor right here in the hip area. It has a pocket in the liner of the suit, which is fixed, that can accept a back protector insert if you want to go that route. We have a few of the RST ones here in stock. I will also have included in the listing for this suit other brands like D3O that are going to fit right in there. There'll be a link there, so if you want to add that, you can do it. What we recommend most people do with a race suit like this is do what I'm doing. I have on a full coverage back protector underneath this that has shoulder and waist straps, right? Also, let's say that you want to use a standalone universal airbag unit like one of the Alpine Stars, like a Tech Air 5 Plasma or something. As long as you have the additional 4 centimeters, of room inside, like this one for me, take the back protector out, and I can probably get that Tech Air 5 Plasma under here, and with the stretch paneling that's included with this suit, there's going to be enough there to manage a deployment. So if you want to add that on, you could do that as well. A lot of people with the entry-level stuff, they typically go more the back protector route, right? Either way, you're going to be good to go. Other features and benefits. We've got an external shoulder slider that kind of works in conjunction with the armor underneath to bolster protection in that area. If I'm going to knock this suit anywhere, there's not a tremendous amount of perforation in it, okay? You'll see some up here, a little up here in the chest, a little bit in the back. It's important to note as well that all the stretch fabric here that you see in the arms, back of the neck, as well as in the legs, that's going to move air pretty freely. It's going to help to keep you a little cooler, a little more comfortable. But with anything, great price. There's a little bit of a trade-off with this one. That little bit of a trade-off is going to be ventilation. I think I've already mentioned the interior mesh liner of this is fixed. All the zippers on the suit They're all high quality locking zippers, same ones you see in the other models. Heavy gauge main zipper is used. Replaceable knee plugs are included. Got a nice motion panel here in the knee and shin. Motion panel here in the elbow. You know, and I'll say this, for an entry-level suit, like the motion panels that are used in the shoulder blade, right, sides, the back, and all across the hip, those are larger than you would normally see at a suit that's going to sell under $700. They've done a good job with this. We've sold several of these throughout the season. The past couple of seasons, people enjoyed it. Now you have the opportunity to get this at a screaming deal. If you like what you see and you want a few more details, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this thing off, pull it apart as much as we can, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the RST S-1 road race suit from the inside out. We're going to begin with the armor that is included with the suit. We've got CE level 1 armor in the elbow forearm, the knee and shin, as well as the shoulder. For whatever reason, it came with level 2 armor in the hip area. There is a pocket inside the suit to accept a back protector insert. We have some RST ones, those come in and out of stock, and there are also a couple of D30 models that fit nicely in there. We will include in the listing for this suit what those are, so if you want to add one of those to this, you can do it. What we recommend most people to do when you get a suit like this that is not an airbag, a built-in airbag suit, right? And if you wanted to, say you wanted to wear one of the Alpine Stars universal models, like say the Tech Air 5 Plasma under this, 100%, there's enough stretch paneling in this. You could go ahead and throw that under here and it's going to work great. But if you don't want to commit to that, get a standalone back protector that has straps and a waist strap, shoulder straps. It's going to work great under this suit, okay? The suit itself. This is a cowhide suit. It uses a more subtly sized race hump. Got a nice little motion panel here in the back, little stretch fabric. Leather motion accordion panels all throughout, right? That's going to really allow this suit to move well and to move with you. Localized perforation up here in this area. Got some localized perforation here in the arm, underarm area. Couple layers of leather here in the seat for additional protection. A little pad for the tailbone is built in. Stretch fabric, the back of the legs. Locking zippers are used. To the front of the suit. External shoulder cup, that works in conjunction with the shoulder armor to enhance protection in that area. Got a motion panel here in the elbow. Locking zipper used here in the forearm. Localized perforation once again. Stretch fabric, all the stretch fabric you see, that's going to flow air freely. It's going to help to enhance the ventilation. You know, this suit, and we already kind of touched on it, if there's any real shortcoming with it, it could have a little more perforation, right? A little perf up here. Heavy gauge main zip. You can see those stretch panels, those accordion panels, they come all the way like right into the rib cage area to really enhance the mobility of this race suit. It has a fixed inner mesh liner, comfort lined collar, stretch fabric here, comes up into the hips, right? Spans down all the way to the bottom of the legs. Motion panel on the knee, replaceable knee puck. You know, in the area where the armor is inserted too, they have some additional padding in there that goes around the armor just to, you know, bolster protection in that area. What do we think of this? Well, we think enough of it that, you know, we bought it, all that was remaining on closeout, because we're offering you a smoking sub $400 deal on a high quality cowhide race suit. We think this is a great entry level suit. If you want to do track days, you want to get a great deal on a protective race suit, this is going to work well for you. If you're racing on a really tight budget, some club racing, this will also work out well for you. As previously mentioned, if you want to add a universal standalone like an Alpine Stars airbag to this, you can wear it underneath. Of course, it'll also work well with, you know, a back protector, as previously mentioned, underneath. quality of this thing is great. It's so good, right? The RST stuff is so good. We've been importing it here for a number of years. We've had a great experience with our customers. Have had a great experience. And it's been so good that I've had my own son, Max, racing in the RST apparel for a number of seasons now. He's definitely crash tested it along with the other people on the M4 X-Star Suzuki race team that we were on last season. It's great stuff. This is an entry-level example of that. And when you hear entry-level, don't think all the quality is sacrificed, all the protection is sacrificed. That's not how the folks at RST do it. It's still very protective, just a great deal. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.